If you want to watch what I have in store for you next, stick around. Yes, I'm getting ready to do a little project, wiping down some doors, and the reason why I'll explain in a minute. But before that, Momi just got this for the back side of the door. I'm not sure I like it exactly, but there's a couple marks on it. See this mark here? The mark there, and then there was one back here. And she said she thinks it's because she got potting soil on it when she was bringing it inside, when she was loading it up. Man, look at that. You see that? You can see it. So let's just see. I'm doing a little test. She's leaving for the store. I told her I would do simple green. No. Just... This stuff usually gets anything off, and this is, I'm not sure if this was from her. I think it was from something else. We're just going to try that. That looks like a seam right there. Take it, that discoloration right there, there's no other way to do it other than to just stick it on there. And you know what's going to happen if I leave it just like that? And I think that's gotten it, but it could leave a watermark. Like that. Okay, so guess what I'm going to do? She's not here. She might see this on a video if she wants to watch my channel sometime. But at this point, I got to get the whole thing wet. And it's simple green, and the good thing about simple green is it dries clean. Let's see if can you see if I get the whole top wet? She didn't want me to saturate it, but you gotta get it wet enough so you don't see anything. See, I don't think I even have to kind of brush it in. I think I can just get it wet. See that there? Get it wet. Like that. That way when it dries, it's all going to dry evenly, isn't it? Okay. That was that dirty mark back there. In fact, it looks like an imperfection inside the material after cleaning it there. But we can put that up against the back. It looks like, just let me see. I just don't want to do it too much. If you do it too much, you could start lifting the burrs of the top edge. Okay, that looks white because I've got more simple green there than everywhere else. All right, not because of anything that I did. Now, I'm just going to have to let that dry. Okay. That's how you do that, and that's how you fix that. You don't have to wipe this off. You don't have to do anything. The beauty of simple green, that simple green is working on there. It's cleaning anything on there. And if you have chairs with some cloth on them, I've done them for my chairs when I used to have a condo in Maui. I'd have to clean those periodically, and then I'd have to do the entire seat, and it would come out looking really super nice. Okay, there's a tip for you. when using simple green. Okay, another thing down. Now where was I with this? You want to watch what I'm going to do to some of these doors, and the reason why, look for that video on how to clean doors or how to remove, I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. How to clean hinge grease off doors, how to clean carbon, whatever you call that black stuff. I'll have to find out carbon, how to clean carbon, you know, something. I'll find something, but that's going to be on my next video. Watch for it.